This is literally all you have to do so you can make this work. Copy an image from this website here, paste it on this website here, and get paid. Since there is no limit to the amount of money you can earn, you can repeat the same process over and over again and literally earn thousands of dollars in the process. It's literally as easy as that. If you are a complete beginner or the amount of experience you have with making money online is small, then this is the perfect video for you. Today, I will explain to you how you can make this work and get paid again and again with no skills required, almost no hard work involved, and without needing any equipment like a camera or microphone, for example. So, if you want to make this work, and then be sure you stay tuned. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. With all of that said and done, let's now finally get into the video. As you have all heard today, I have a very beginner-friendly strategy to share with you. Some strategies I share on my videos might be a bit too complex for some of you. This one, however, is the exact opposite. It's so easy, simple, and pretty straightforward. That being said, don't skip ahead because that won't give you anywhere. You need to know exactly what you have to do, and if you skip ahead, you just won't. You'll just go to the platforms I will show you and you won't know what to do. And in the end, you won't make any money. So please guys, be patient and keep watching this video through to the end. Anyways, the very first platform I need you to go over today that we'll be using is the one here called Crello.com. Immediately when you come onto this site, you'll see it says create any design. It doesn't take too long to figure out what this website is. It's a place where you can come and design for a variety of things. You've got Instagram posts, Facebook posts, Instagram stories, and so much more. The really great thing about this platform is that they offer templates for you to use. So whatever you design, you don't have to do it from scratch. Your designing will instead be merely customizing a template that is already designed. And this is very important because it means that you don't need any design skills to make this work if you're just customizing templates. And you will also see soon just how simple it all is. Furthermore, apart from the fact that they make designing very easy, another fantastic feature of this site that is quite important as well is that it is free. They do offer some pricing plans definitely, but you'd only need to pay the website if you want to use some specific templates. For using the vast majority of them, I'd say 70 to 80%, you don't have to pay them at all. And that is really amazing to say the least. Anyhow, what I need you to do is sign up to this website. All you have to do is click on the sign up button in the upper right corner. On the next page, you can see that you can sign up via Google, Facebook, Apple, and Vistaprint, which is much faster. And you can get it done with the click of a button. Or if you don't want to do that, then just type in your email in this box here, your password just below, and click on the sign up button here to create your new account. Once you log into your new Crello account, this is what you know now come across. You can design a bunch of things on this website for free, which is the truly awesome part as I mentioned before. What you will want to design on this website in particular, you will see later on with the first platform. What I now want to show you is how designing itself actually works. The first thing you will do is select a category. To do that, you can either type in what you want in the search bar here, or you can click on templates here. And then on the next page, choose a category on the left hand side. Now, one of the things you will want to design in this site so you can make money is logos. So I will run with that example. All I had to do is type in logo in the search bar here. And now I can see all of these designs I can choose from. And just take a look at how professional all of these are. Even though I get them for basically free, they all look fantastic. as if I had paid someone to create them for me. From here, to customize one design in particular, all you have to do, guys, is click on it and you'll be taken over to the editor. And there's no shortage of things you can do in the editor. You can change virtually anything: the font of the text, the size, and the color. You can change what's actually written if you so wish. All you have to do to change the text here is double click on it, as you can see. You can also add in different icons and objects in your soon to be logo design. All I need to do is click on objects on the left hand side, and depending on what my customer wants, I will go ahead and pick any one of these. Another thing you can also customize is the background. If I want a different background, I can just click on background on the left hand side and pick from any one of these. And as you can see, there is an infinite number of options. In case you decide you don't like this design in particular, you don't have to go back to the page and choose another one. You can instead choose one from the editor, a good feature I think most of you will like. Long story short, you can change almost everything by using Crello's editor. And as I said before, the designing aspect is merely customizing a done-for-you design, one that you didn't even have to pay for. This is what makes Crello the perfect website for us, since you don't need any design skills to use it. This means you can design things that you can get paid for big time online. And just as important is the fact that it takes you literally minutes to design something that people normally would have to invest hours into. And so now is the time for me to show you a site that you can use to get paid for that design. Here is the website in question. It's called 99designs.com. As the name of this platform suggests, on here you can come and work as a designer, what we are interested in. But you can also pay someone to design something for you. What you can design in this site and also pay someone to design, you can see once you scroll down to the bottom of the page. We have logo design, what I just used as an example. Apart from that though, we have the business card design, web page design, and so much more. To see all of the categories, just click on the browse all categories here. On this page, you will now be able to see all of the things they will pay you to design. And keep in mind that some you will not be able to design with Crello, but you will be able to design the vast majority of them, and also the ones that pay the most, including logo design, business card design, book covers, postcards, and more. Now with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.